Hello guys, in today's video I do have the DOOGEE Blade 20 Max and I'm going to tell you what to do if your PIN is not accepted in your device. So actually here I do have the passcode. I do have the pattern lock, not the PIN code and not the passcode, so don't worry. But this is almost the same. If you have your PIN not accepted, but you are sure that you have you are like typing the correct PIN, and if you're 100% sure, you can contact the device support with the proof of purchase, of course, and you have to just prove that this device is somehow yours. They will copy the data from this device and give it somehow to you. It's not safe. You have to remember that it's not safe, like for your data, if some company have the access to it. But you have to contact the authorized device support and contact them only via the certified website. I don't really think that's paid if this is not accepted and this is the software issue. It won't be actually paid, I think. But if you aren't sure and you just have the PIN not accepted and you have forgotten it, for example, or something like that, there is only one way to achieve the access to this device once again. And this is unfortunately with the data loss. We'll lose all your data that's stored on the device if you haven't done a backup. And to do so, at first you need to hold the power button, volume up button, click power off, and then your device will be powered off automatically. And now once the device is powered off, you need to hold the power and the volume up button. And if you see a vibration, you need to hold only the volume up button. You'll be redirected to this select boot mode. Now at the moment I need to somehow show it to you. Here, solid boot mode. And we need to navigate to the recovery mode and click the volume down. To navigate, you need to click volume up. And to enter this mode, you need to click volume down. Now you should wait a while. It should take 10 seconds, maybe 15. It depends on the on your device actually and the performance. And now what do I now? No command. Don't worry, this is only a security thing. You need to hold the power and volume up. Now once done, you'll be in the Android recovery. Here, as I can see, we need to navigate with the volume down to the wipe data / factory reset, click the power button, click volume down, and click here the power button to achieve the factory data reset. Remember that this action cannot be undone, and you'll be prompted with the setup screen on your device, so that you can now set up the device once again with new data, new everything, etc. But the thing you have to remember is that you have to remember your password actually to your Google account. And if you have the access to this account, you need to just maybe change the password so that you can log into your account. And of course it doesn't matter, it's not up to me, it's up to you to remember your password. I can just tell you that you have to just remember your password, because here in this Android phones we do have something called Google FRP, and Google FRP is the limit for some pocket stealers, for some robbers. When they steal your device, they wouldn't have the access to this device, and it's because there is no possibility. They need to know your password to your device, to your Google account, otherwise they won't have access to it. And this phone would just be an e-waste. And actually that's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.